In this video, you'll learn how to insert a special character in Google Docs, whether you're adding accented letters, math symbols, arrows, or other unique characters. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and confidently. Let's start by opening Google Docs. Go ahead and sign in to your Google account the way you normally do, then open the document where you want to add the special character. This can be a brand new blank document or an existing one you're already working on. Once the document is open, place your cursor exactly where you want the special character to appear. You can do that by clicking in the line or paragraph where the symbol should go. This helps make sure the character is inserted in the right spot without you needing to move it later. Now look toward the top of the screen at the main menu bar. You'll see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. Click on the one labeled Insert. When you click Insert, a drop-down menu will appear with a list of options you can add to your document, such as images, tables, drawings, and more. From this menu, find and click on Special Characters. This will open a new panel or window, usually on top of your document, dedicated to selecting and inserting different symbols. Inside the Special Characters panel, you'll see a large character grid in the center showing a variety of symbols. Above or beside that grid, there are tools to help you find exactly what you need. You can search or draw the character, and both options can be really helpful. If you already know the name of the symbol you want, use the search box. Click in the search field and type a word related to the character. For example, you might type arrow, star, degree, or the name of a specific letter with an accent like A. As you type, Google Docs will filter the results below and show you matching characters. Take a moment to scroll if needed and look through the options until you see the one that fits what you're looking for. If you're not sure what the symbol is called, you can use the drawing tool. In the Special Characters window, there's an area where you can draw the character with your mouse or trackpad. Click inside that box and roughly sketch the symbol you need. It doesn't have to be perfect, just do your best approximation. As you draw, Google Docs will suggest characters that look similar to what you sketched, displaying them in the grid below. This is especially useful for math symbols or less common icons that are hard to describe in words. Once you've found the special character you want, inserting it is simple. Move your mouse over the character in the grid and click it once. As soon as you click, the character will be inserted into your document at the position of your cursor. You can switch back to the document and you'll see it right there in the text, just like any other character. If you need to insert more symbols, you can keep the Special Characters panel open and continue clicking additional characters one after another. When you're finished, you can close the Special Characters window by clicking the Close button or simply click back into your document. From there, you can format the special character just like regular text, changing the font size, color, or style if needed. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a special character in Google Docs using the built-in tools for searching or drawing symbols.